You know, they say when there are no words, let the eyes do the talking. Now with face mask covering more than half of our face, in order to make a lasting impression with our eyes, we have got to up our eyeliner game, right? Hi guys, मैं हूँ निया और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ 6 trending graphic eyeliners. पर उससे पहले, you know what you have to do. Go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also tap on the bell icon so that you can stay updated with our latest videos. And now let's begin. Okay guys, so before I begin, make sure that you always prep your eyelids before creating any kind of a graphic eyeliner. And now for that, I'm going to dab a little bit of a concealer on my eyelids. I'm going to blend that out, and then of course I'm going to top it off with some loose powder to set this base. Optionally, you can also apply a bone color eyeshadow on the eyelids as a wash of color. So the first graphic eyeliner that I'm going to show you is called the negative space eyeliner. अब इस eyeliner में you have to focus on leaving a blank space. Now let me show you the easiest negative space graphic eyeliner that you have ever seen. Start by tracing a line closest to the upper lash line all the way till you reach the edge of the eye. इसके बाद create triangles on the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye. Except that these corners will remain incomplete because our aim here is to leave negative space wherever possible. इसके बाद fill in the lower lash line of the triangles with some kajal. Finish off with a few coats of mascara and you're done. अब अगला trending graphic eyeliner style is glittery or shiny arches. Now this particular graphic eyeliner is all about jazzing up the eyeliner style that you already prefer or have created. So start by tracing a line that mimics the shape of the eye right above the crease area. Avoid creating this line on the crease as it might mess up. And that's it, you're done. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the dotted graphic eyeliner style. So as the name suggests, all you have to do is create dots around your eyeliner. So let me show you 2 different positioning of dots, one on each eye. For the left eye, start by making 4 prominent dots along the lower lash line. For the right eye, I'm going to make 5 tiny dots starting from the tip of the inner corner area. इस graphic eyeliner का trick है कि you need to ensure that the dots are equidistant. The fourth trending graphic eyeliner is called Tiny Fishtail Graphic Eyeliner. Start by creating a wing on the outer edge of the upper lash line. Don't elongate the wing too much. Then draw a line starting from the lower lash line towards the wing. Ensure that both these lines connect into one wing and that there are no bald spots. Fill in the wing. Now, find your crease line and create an elongated triangle that mimics the triangle that you just created below. Fill in the upper triangle as well. Both the wings of the fishtail need to be of the same shape, size and length. Fill in only the outer edge of the lower waterline with some kajal and apply a few coats of mascara. Agla graphic eyeliner style is called the cutout graphic eyeliner. Now in order to make your cutout stand out, ensure that you create a thick band of eyeliner. So let's start by tracing a line starting from the inner corner area. When you reach the center of the iris, create a V shape. Then from the tip of the V, draw a line all the way till you reach the edge of the eye. Create a wing of your choice and then fill in any bald spots. Once you're done, the eyeliner should look like it's missing a slice of pizza for that cutout effect. Apply some mascara and you're done. And the last trending graphic eyeliner that I'm going to show you is called the overlapping graphic eyeliner. अब इस graphic eyeliner को create करने के लिए ensure to use 2 contrasting colors of graphic eyeliners so that when these lines cross over each other, you can visibly see the overlapping effect. I'm starting off with a black eyeliner. So start by tracing a line from the center of the eyelid all the way till I go past the edge of the eye. इसके बाद create a line starting from the tip of that line till you reach the base of the upper lash line. Now remember that you don't have to fill this in because you will otherwise lose the effect. Now as a contrasting color, I'm going to use a pink liquid eyeliner. From the inner corner area of the eye, I will trace a line above the black eyeliner all the way till you reach the exact tip of the lower eyeliner. Then draw a line that passes through the earlier eyeliner all the way till you reach the edge of the upper lash line. Apply a few coats of mascara and you're done. So those, my beauty buddies, were 6 trending graphic eyeliners that you need to try right now. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. और जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को as usual like और share करें and हमारे चैनल BeBeautiful को subscribe करें और लगे हाथ ring the bell icon ताकि you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.